In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Trello theme step by step. If you're tired of the default look, or you just want to switch between light and dark mode for better focus, this quick customization can make a big difference in your daily workflow. Trello makes it really simple to personalize your experience, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your Boards page. This is where you can see all of your boards organized in one place. From here, we're going to access your account settings so we can change the overall theme. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might display your initials or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Theme. Click on Theme to open the Theme Settings panel. This is where Trello allows you to control the appearance of the interface. Depending on your current settings, you may see options like Light, Dark, or System. The Light theme gives you the classic bright Trello background, which is great for well-lit environments. The Dark theme is perfect if you work at night or prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes. The System option automatically matches Trello's appearance to your device's system settings, so if your computer switches to dark mode, Trello will do the same. To change your theme, simply click on the theme you want to apply. As soon as you click it, Trello will instantly update the interface. There's no save button required and no need to refresh the page. The change happens immediately, so you can preview how everything looks in real time. If you're not sure which one you prefer, feel free to click between the options and see which layout feels more comfortable for you. That's all there is to it. Changing your Trello theme only takes a few seconds, but it can really improve your productivity and overall experience on the platform. Whether you prefer a clean, light interface or a sleek, dark workspace, Trello gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.